Hello, my name is Flavio Benevides. I'm the Director of Development at Processium. I began my studies engineering school in Brazil, and I finished it in France in the Grande École Les Arts Métiers. Just after my graduation, I was hired by Processium with the ambition to develop a new market in Brazil. So I returned to Brazil to start a new subsidiary of Processium there. After this success in my mission, I was asked to return to France by the founder of Processium to help him in developing the new strategy for the company. And in this role, I need to prepare for my new post of Director of Strategic Development, as well work with him and set up this new development plan of the company. So he asked me to do an Executive MBA at the EMLYON because it was the most interesting school for doing this Executive MBA here in Lyon. The selection of the Executive MBA at EMLYON was about having very good support in order to strategic thinking. So helping professors and all the community, the network, to help us in developing this new strategy of the company with an open mind setup.
Hello, my name is Thomas David. I have been the Managing Director of Processium since January 2024. I am a process engineer by training, and I joined the company 16 years ago as process engineer. Following the integration of Processium in Technip Energies, I take the position of Managing Director after the retirement of Pascal Rousseau, our former CEO and founder of Processium. Flavio MBA took place at the same time as we are starting discussion with potential partners for the future of Processium. The key challenges for the company was to define a clear strategy and to be in strong position for the negotiation with the potential partner.
During the MBA, I was able also to work in parallel here in Processium with the direction of the Processium. The concrete output of this process was my dissertation entitled Strategic Alternatives of Processium, as well the setup of a development plan for the company. This work had a central role in defining the best strategic partnership for the strategic implementation. And we select at the end, Technip Energies is a leading engineering company in the energy transition sector. Now we are able to align our strategy with their strategy in terms of the new vision for the company.
The chemical industry must reinvent itself to face the global environmental constraint, like using carbon renewable, develop circular economy, reduce energy consumption, and produce better chemical product with less safety and environmental impact. So Processium needs to have a clear view of this field, and the MBA of Flavio helps us to define which field of the chemical industry we want to address, and also to identify our competitor in Europe and USA. And then we are able to build a clear strategic plan for the 5 next years for Processium. With Flavio, Pascal and myself, we were able to build the strategic view and strategic plan for Processium thanks to our complementarity skills and competencies. And it was very pleasant to work with Flavio and Pascal and to mix our different views to build this plan for the next 5 years for Processium.
2-3 years after the conclusion of MBA, I work very closely with Thomas David in the direction of Technip Energies. It's a very ambitious mission, but a very interesting work. In my current role, I'm leading a team of business developers, as well marketing and numerical development. And I have an operational work in managing the team, but also a strategic mission regarding the implementation of the development plan. After completing the MBA, I can surely say that changed my career and also my thinking about the impact I can have in the world regarding coupling technology and business. And today with Technique and Processium, I can really work on this impacting mission.
2.5 years after the end of the MBA of Flavio, outcomes are very positive for Processium. Even if we are part of Technip Energy, we still need our own strategy and to have an update strategy. Thanks to Flavio MBA, we have now tools and mindset to update and develop our strategy continuously. For example, the MBA of Flavio helps us to define our strategy regarding AI. We know that AI will be a game changer in the next year, and it's very important for Processium to have a clear view and a clear strategy regarding AI to develop new commercial offer and also new tools to increase our productivity. And thanks to the MBA of Flavio, we have tools and mindset to develop this strategy, and it will be very important for us in the coming year.